Dollar index, now we are based on 1 hour chart. Okay, as we want to see whether this one can continue come to this high or not. We want to see whether we can trade with this. I don't think we get this correction for the down move. Okay, mostly we will get the up move. All right, that's why we want to see. In this case, if we move to 4 hour chart, all right, based on the 4 hour chart, this is the correction we talked about yesterday. We mentioned we are looking for the buy, and this is the second one we get. All right, and as we can see, this one come to this high, but it doesn't mean anything because there is a possibility there will be a correction here for the one move down. Okay, that's mean we get a correction here. Okay, but mostly we are looking for the up move. We want to see whether we can get the up move to this level or not. The reason I highlight about this correction, if we want to get the buy here, at least be aware that there is a possibility for the price to drop. Okay, but again, we are more interested in the up move. In this case, we move to 4 hour chart. All right, sorry, 1 hour chart. Based on 1 hour chart, first we talk about my last analysis. In my last video, when the price was exactly here, I mentioned that we are interested in the buy, but even I highlight that we have this, we break out, we are already in the trade. And the times I was analyzing, I mentioned that right now this trade is already active. That's mean we have a trade. That's mean we didn't talk about this. That's why I say if we're looking for the new trade, the reason is at least the price to drop before we look for buy, and the price didn't drop and there was continuation. And having entry above this, we didn't have it because of this gap. Okay, just I want to say why. And the second thing is the only option to trade this was the breakout, but the times I had my video, we were talking about the analyzer, the price was here. That's mean the only option within that time was this one. We trade based on the lower time frame. We see how. That's mean the only option was trading this one. But in my last video, I didn't mention this one. I didn't talk about this. Okay. Anyway, what we expect the price move up, and now we had the second correction. Again, we are looking for the up move. Another thing is whether we get the small correction similar to what we have here as a flag, or we should expect for deeper or a flat. Okay, what we get here. I mean, the reason is this is the only things we get here. No, the question is whether the correction for here will be similar to what we have here, or we should get the more correction. We are not sure, and right now we don't have the trade set up. Okay, what I can see here, if the price come drop this low, then we can look for the breakout to look for buy. But if we get any buy, how deep it will go depends. If we get any buy, as long as the buy come, the price come here, we need to see whether we want to keep, or I mean we should manage it, because whether this one continue move up or we get more complex correction here. Okay, that's why if the price drop, we get the buy. Then when the price come here, we need to manage. However, if the price reverse from here, we need to see how we can trade it. Okay, anyway, we're looking for the buy. The only thing is we want to wait and get the buy setup. It depends how the traders they can trade it. And what we're expecting, the price come at least to this high. We are looking for this trade, but because of what we have here, if you take any trade within this, if you see it's not moving sharp, it's correcting, you should manage it in case the price drop. Only highlight this one for for more information there if we see the chart is not moving. Okay, in this case we just follow the chart and we see how we can trade for whether we can get another sharp move similar to what we have here. This one can repeat and we look for buy or not. In this case we just follow the chart. Thanks.